Here's what we actors or theater people or thespians go through when we put on a show. Now, the show within Noise Us Off is called Nothing On. The actors have not been able to put on the show correctly either due to technical difficulties or actors messing up themselves. So tonight, you'll be watching Act 3, which is the 10th week run of the show Nothing On. And as actors' personal friction increase, this guy could have turned ready for this show.
Hey, that's my leg!
Because
That's my hair! Cut it out! It's no good you going on. Well, it's going to be really hard for me to get these sardines off the floor now that I've only got one leg. Hold on. Hello? Hello? Yes, but there's no one here. Yes, Mr. Brent? Yeah, he's not here. Yes. She lives here, but she don't live here now because they're in Spain. There's no one here. Yes, of course, I'm here. And if it's to do with letting the house, then you'll have to call the house agents because they're the agents for the house. Squire, Hackham, and who's the other one? No, they're not in Spain. They're just a bit squashed. Yes, Mr. Philip Brent, he's the one who lives here. Yes, the one who's in the plays, only why he'd want to get mixed up in plays, God only knows. Yes. Squire, Hackham, and wait, hold on. I'm gonna do something wrong here. Always the same, isn't it? 1 minute you've got too much on your plate. Next thing you know, they've gone again.
Yes, I have a housekeeper, but this is our afternoon off, so we have the entire place to ourselves. But I'll just check. Hello? Is anyone at home? Hello? Nope, there's no one here. We've been bothering to pull out the champagne.
Right then. All these doors.
And only a handful, really. The study, the kitchen, and a self-contained service flat. For the receiver.
And which one's the...
The what?
You know.
Oh, the usual offices through here.
Fantastic. Lost the sardines again.
I thought no one was home.
I'm not here. I don't know where I am.
I'm with the agents.
Lost the phone now.
Squire, Hackham, and Dudley.
Never lost the phone before.
I'm family.
Look, I'll just put it here in case anybody needs it.
All right, well, I just dropped in to go do a few things. So, well, to do one or two odd jobs. And a client.
Come on.
I'm showing a prospective client over the house.
What is wrong with you?
She's thinking of renting it. You could say that her interest is definitely aroused.
That is not the bedroom.
The bedroom, no, that's the bathroom in the C-suite. And this is the, ew.
Sardines, dear. Sardines. Oh, hi.
She's not in here.
You shouldn't have stood on them.
Don't worry about us.
They'll all be standing on them now.
We're just going to inspect the house.
Floor wash.
I'm sorry about this, love.
It's all right.
I'm sorry, love. I just thought we ought to.
And we'll bring it up with us.
Where are we?
And don't let my files out of sight.
Wait, we've gotten out of.
What? Her.
Her, right, her, because she's been in the family for generations.
Sardines, of course, it's not for me to say. Only I will just say this here. Take the plunge. You're really gonna love it here. Oh, great! Look, you're gonna have to mop the floor because I can't mop the floor and make you a plate of sardines. You see, she thinks it's great. She's even making us sardines.
Well,
I think she's terrific.
terrific.
So which way?
I don't know, kind of parcel them up in the, and I'm gonna do the,
Up here?
no, down here.
In here?
No, I'll do the, and you do the,
It's another bathroom!
take it upstairs and take the bag.
Always trying to get me into bathrooms.
Bag, box.
Oh, like sheets.
We'll just take the,
Oh, you're in real estate. You can't even tell me where the bedroom is.
oh.
Oh no, it's Mrs. Clackett's afternoon off, remember? We've got the place entirely to ourselves.
Home.
Home, sweet home.
Dear old house.
Just waiting for us to get back.
But how odd to find the telephone in the garden. How funny creeping in like this on our wedding anniversary.
It's damn serious. If Inland Revenue finds out we're in,
Even for one night.
Right. If Inland Revenue finds out we're in a
Oh, country.
country,
Even for one night.
even for one night,
Bengals are claimed to be residents abroad.
residents abroad. Right.
Bengals most of this year's income.
Most of this year's income. I think I better go have a lie down.
Elijah. Well, I guess why not? No children, no friends dropping in. Oh, we're absolutely on our legals.
Right.
Oh,
Dear.
dear, there's something to be said about being a tax exile. Shh! What? Inland Revenue may hear us. I think that first lot of sardines, I never know. This is newspaper! Oh! You gave my heart a turn. I nearly jumped out of the sofa. Well, so did mine. We thought you'd gone. I thought you was in sardine. Yeah. We are. We're not here. You haven't seen us. Lovely helping of sardines to sit on. But the important thing is that the income tax are after us. I can guess which one of them could be out here. So if anybody asks for us who haven't seen us, we're not here. So, I'll just go fill hot water bottles. And off she goes without waiting to find out about his letters. His letters?
Letters? What letters? You forward all the mail, don't you?
Not packages from Sardinia here.
Okay.
I'll show you where I put the presents from Sardinia. Yes, you know, I put them in a little pigeon house. In the pigeon house? Yes, I put them in the little pigeon house, the tiny one.
Yes, but I can hear voices.
What sort of voices?
Box voices. I mean, people's boxes.
But there's no one here.
Darling, I saw the door handle move. And in these bags, I'm not sure they were here when we went inside the, you know.
I still don't see why you've got to put your tie on to look.
Well, if someone left these bags down here, they obviously want them downstairs in the...
Mrs. Clockett?
It could be coming up here, carrying various means. Who knows?
Oh, look, she's opened our sardines.
Come back.
What?
You can't be downstairs like this.
Why not?
Mrs. Crockett.
Mrs. Crockett.
One has certain obligations.
Sardines here, sardines there. It's like the Battle of Waterloo out there. Oh, you're still poking around, are you?
Well, still poking while still pulling.
Good job, I can't see far with this leg.
You know, I'm just checking all the doors, seeing all the door handles. Miss Blackett.
Clackett, dear. Clackett.
Miss Clackett, is there anyone else in the house, Miss Clackett?
I haven't seen no one, dear.
Well, I thought I heard a box. I found these voices.
There's no voices here.
I must have imagined them.
Oh, good God above!
I beg your pardon?
Oh, good Lord above! I believe I left the side door open.
All right, well, they're gonna want these inside so I'll go put them outside and then they'll know what to do with them.
Oh, nothing but flying doors with these handles. I should never buy anything as brassy as this.
All right, the study door's open again. What's going on? Locking. The bathroom. Oh God, there's something in the... Listen, I can't because the door handle has... You know, you're just gonna have to... whatever in there, darling, can you hear me? Look, don't just keep begging. There's nothing I can. There's nothing I won't. Oh. All right, listen. I want you to climb around and then you're gonna squeeze through and you're gonna shimmy down there must be some way. Oh, for pity's sake.
Final notice, steps will be taken, restraint, proceedings in court.
Oh, it's you.
Of course it's me! You put me in there in the dark with all those scary bathroom things!
I put you in there, but you managed to squeeze through though.
Why did I lock the door? Why did you lock the door?
It just came right off.
Someone locked the door!
Sorry. Anyway, we can't stand here like this.
Like what?
You know, with people coming in and out.
Okay, I'll take it off!
No. In here. Wait.
Final notice, proceedings in court, restraint, steps will be taken.
Now what is it?
A first aid kit. I didn't put it in there.
I didn't put it in there!
Someone's in the bathroom filling first aid bottles.
Sorry.
You don't think anything creepy is going on? Darling. Well, are you coming to bed or aren't you?
What did you say?
I didn't say anything!
Now the first aid kit. What's going on?
I can feel goose pimples all over.
Wait, get something around you.
Get the covers over our heads!
Wait, what did I do with those sardines? You wait here.
You hear all sorts of funny things about these old houses. Oh.
Well, this one's been essentially modernized. I can't imagine how anything creepy can survive in this oil-fired central heating and
What is it? What's going on?
the sardines, they're gone. No, they haven't. They're here. You put a plate of sardines down for 2 minutes, and the last thing you expect to find, or in these days, the one thing that you don't expect to find is a plate of, I mean, that's really weird.
Perhaps there is something funny going on. I'm going to get in bed and put my head under this.
Because there they are. No, they're not. I suppose Mrs. Sprocket must have
Bag.
bag.
Bag. Bag.
What do you mean bag?
Bag.
Sardines.
Bag. Bag.
Sardines. Sardines.
Bag.
Sardines. Sardines.
Bag.
What bag?
No bag.
No bag.
Your bag. Suddenly here. Now. Gone.
It's in the bedroom. It was in the bedroom. I put it in the bedroom. I'll put it back in the
Oh,
bedroom.
no, don't go in there.
The box.
The box.
They're both not gone.
Oh, my files.
What on earth is happening? Where's Mrs. Sprocket? You went in the bedroom.
Oh, no, I'm not going in there.
Well, at least put your dress on first.
No.
I'll fetch it for you. I'll fetch it for you.
Yes, quick. Let's get out of here. Okay.
Your dress, it's gone.
What? I'm never going to see basic stock again.
Don't panic. There's a perfectly rational explanation.
If we are going to bed, then I'm going to clear out the attic. Oh, good heavens! Thank you. No other hands on my sardines, because this time she's going to kill him. He's just done, that's all. Keep going.
Don't panic. Don't panic.
Where are we? See, he's all right. Just keep going.
There's a perfectly rational explanation for all of this. I'll fetch Mrs. Sprocket and she'll tell us what's happening.
You fetched her. I'm here.
I've fetched Mrs. Sprocket and she'll tell us what's happening.
She won't, you know.
Oh, I'll tell you what's happening.
There's a man in there, yes?
No, my dear. He's right here, look. And so am I. We're all here.
No. There's no one here, right?
No! See, we're all here. I know this must come as a bit of a surprise to everyone, but now that we're all here, we're just gonna have to introduce ourselves. Now, won't we, darling?
Right, introduce ourselves. Dear.
Oh, dear. All right, okay. This is my husband. I'm afraid surprises go straight to his nose. There's a man lurking in the undergrowth! Oh, how delightful! Another unexpected guest! Oh, why don't you go see what you can see in the garden? Oh, darling, tilt your head back.
Right.
Oh, now remember what the director said? He said get through it for doors and sardines. That's right, doors and sardines.
Doors and sardines!
He said for phones.
Phones!
He said for bags and boxes.
Bags and boxes!
Sheets. Sheets. He said sheets.
Shoot for sheep!